Okay, I'm outside because I suck and don't have a mic, but I'm going to show you what it takes to cut a 200,000th cut on just a regular old manual lathe. I see a lot of guys out there doing these little tiny cuts, and if you get your speed feed just right, your material should break off in a chip. Now you see them on CNCs doing this stuff all the time, and well, a lot of us guys got to use a manual mill or a manual lathe to do our work, and just want to show you what a manual lathe, I want to show you what it looks like when you're actually working it reasonably correctly. All right, so here we go. No more commentary, just work. All right, there's the tool. That's just the water I sprayed in. That's what 200 thousandths looks like, cutting correctly on the lathe. Broke it into chips, no streamers.